Hello everyone, welcome back to English Growth Zone. In today's video, we are going to talk about network marketing in a simple and clear way, especially for beginners who want to understand this opportunity before making any decision. Many people hear about network marketing from friends, social media, or online platforms, but they often feel confused because of different opinions. Some people say it is an easy way to make money, while others say it is risky. That is why in this video, we will break everything down in easy language. We will understand what network marketing really is, how it works, what benefits it offers, and how a beginner can achieve success step by step. So, if you want clear guidance and practical knowledge, stay with us, and let's begin. Network marketing is a business model that many people talk about, but not everyone truly understands. Some people think it is an easy way to make fast money, while others believe it is too risky or not real. The truth is that network marketing is a real business opportunity, but like any other business, it requires understanding, patience, and consistent effort. For beginners, it is very important to first understand what network marketing really is, what benefits it offers, and how success can be achieved step by step. When you clearly understand the system, you can decide whether it is the right opportunity for you. In simple words, network marketing is a business system where a company sells its products directly to customers through individuals instead of traditional shops or big stores. Instead of spending large amounts of money on advertisements and retail stores, the company allows regular people to promote and sell its products. When you join a network marketing company, you usually register as an independent distributor or partner. You use the company's products and recommend them to others. When someone buys the product through you, you earn a commission. This is the first level of income. The second part of network marketing is team building. You can also introduce other people to the business opportunity. When they join and start selling products, you earn a percentage of their sales as well. Over time, you build a network of people who are selling and promoting products. That is why it is called network marketing, because your income grows through your network of customers and team members. The larger and more active your network becomes, the greater your earning potential can be. One of the biggest advantages of network marketing for beginners is that it usually requires low investment. Compared to starting a traditional business where you need large capital, office space, and staff, network marketing often requires only a small registration fee and product purchase. This makes it accessible to students, employees, homemakers, and people with limited financial resources. It gives ordinary people a chance to start their own business without taking huge financial risks. Another important benefit is flexibility. Network marketing does not always require fixed working hours. Many people start it as a part-time business while continuing their job or studies. You can work in the evenings, on weekends, or in your free time. This flexibility allows you to grow slowly without leaving your main source of income. For beginners, this reduces pressure and it gives them time to learn and improve. Network marketing also provides strong opportunities for personal development. Many beginners join without confidence or communication skills. In the beginning, they may feel shy or nervous when talking to others about products or business. However, as they attend training sessions, listen to mentors, and practice daily conversations, they slowly improve. They learn how to communicate clearly, how to handle rejection, and how to lead a team. Over time, they become more confident and disciplined. In this way, network marketing becomes not just a source of income, but also a platform for personal growth. However, it is very important to understand that network marketing is not a get-rich-quick system. Many people fail because they expect fast results. In reality, success in network marketing takes time. In the beginning, you may hear many no responses. Some people may reject your offer. Some may not believe in the business. This is normal. Rejection is part of the journey. Successful people are those who do not quit after facing rejection. They learn from their mistakes and continue improving. Consistency is one of the most important keys to success in network marketing. You cannot work for a few days and expect big results. You need to take small, daily actions. This includes contacting new people, following up with interested customers, supporting your team members, and improving your product knowledge. Small actions done daily create big results over time. Just like planting a seed, you need patience and regular care before you see growth. Another important factor for success is choosing the right company. Beginners should always research before joining any network marketing company. The company should be legally registered and should offer genuine, high-quality products. The compensation plan should be clear and understandable. Avoid companies that only focus on recruitment without real products. A strong and honest company increases your chances of long-term success. Teamwork and leadership also play a major role. In network marketing, you do not succeed alone. You grow by helping others grow. If you support your team members, train them, and motivate them, your entire network becomes stronger. When trust is built within the team, success becomes more stable and sustainable. Mindset is perhaps the most powerful element in this business. If you think negatively, give up easily, or become discouraged by small challenges, success will be difficult. But if you stay positive, patient, and open to learning, you will continue moving forward. Every successful network marketer once started as a beginner with doubts and fears. The difference is that they did not stop. They believed in themselves and in the process. In conclusion, network marketing is a business opportunity that offers flexibility, low investment, and strong potential for personal and financial growth. However, success does not come automatically. It requires patience, daily effort, continuous learning, and a positive mindset. For beginners, the most important step is to understand the system clearly and set realistic expectations. If you are ready to work consistently, build relationships, and grow step by step, network marketing can become a powerful path toward long-term success and self-development. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English step by step, subscribe to our channel English Growth Zone. Here we grow together with stories, motivation, and easy English for everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.